Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Got a few items to show you that I got from the flea market today. Let me go ahead and start here with this hacksaw. Last week I picked up a proto hacksaw that had broken handles on it. And so I found another one. This one's pretty cool. It's pretty sturdy. There's a little rusty part right here, but I didn't get that off there. There's an interesting look to it. Plastic handle there. This here is a little push drill. I'm gonna put this cap back on here. It says Miller's Falls here. Which is really cool. I was looking for drill bits in there. I didn't see any. I grabbed these keys. I actually wanted these because these are looks like old jukebox keys with the lock on it, and I kind of used these as a decoy. I didn't really want them. I just grabbed these two things. I said, how much do you want for these keys? And he said $1, but I really just wanted those, which could be worth some bucks. And then I got this Shingler's hatchet by Estwing. Look pretty straight. Looks like it'll clean up. I've got some sort of like sprinkler or valve wrench here. Sloan Valve Company, Chicago, Illinois. Really cool. That was $1, dollar. The saw was $2. Got this plum hammer. Let's see, you can check out the logo here. For $1. And we got this Vaughan Framer's hammer for $1. And the Reliable Automatic Sprinkler Co. Ints. Sprinkler wrench here. Got this saw here. I really like the handle. This was $1. It's pretty comfortable in the hand there. I don't see a name on here though. But it's still cool. Okay, got another valve wrench of some sort of Viking 13635. We got A and B sides here. And then I picked up this, I don't know what it is used for. You guys can let me know if you know. It's made by Pioneer Tool Co. Simple enough instrument there. All that stuff I just showed you was $1 each. This was $1 also. True Fit box end wrench. And this was a plum. I think this was a plum. This axe head here. I mean, it has the looks of it anyway. I may have picked it up just because of the look of it, but it should have a marking somewhere. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, let's see here. Sorry, guys. Wow. That is a neat logo. And does it say stiletto? I think that's a stiletto. And I think that's good. I think stiletto is good. Alright, what else here? Got this gas and water, some sort of wrench. I had to pick this up, shut off valve. Kind of lightweight. Made in USA. Got these speed wrenches. Let's see if I can find the name on here. Here we go. This is a her brand. Her brand. And this one, I know I saw the name on the side here somewhere. This is a Proto, yeah. So I got those. And I did get some free stuff I'll show you guys here. I got these all, this hardware for cupboards or what have you. Really cool. Patent pending. There's a name there, can't really read it. Has a nice style to it though. Yeah, that was $3. And then this stuff here I got for free. They were yelling out, free, free, take everything free, and everybody started running over there and grabbing stuff, so I ended up getting this funnel, which is pretty much brand new. I got this little bracelet. I'm going to give that to my wife. I'm sure she'll like that. And I found this little Thorson wrench, a newer combo wrench with a ratcheting side here. It's in really good condition. And it's newer. Let's throw this in my toolbox. And then pretty much brand new, this was in this box, mint condition, 2012 Chronicle of NASCAR. Give a little peek inside here. I don't want to get it too dirty because my fingers are probably dirty. Alright guys, that is it for my haul. Appreciate you watching. Bye.